Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you different IoT development platforms available in market. So let's start. So what is IoT? IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. So in IoT, basically we have a microcontrollers or a device which takes which reads data from sensors and upload that data to a cloud server, and in cloud server that data is represented in graphical manner. In this diagram you can see that SAN stands for sensor and actuator networks. So this is basic diagram how the IoT platform works. So in this diagram you can see in SAN you can see that there are various sensors and actuators which are used to take the data or collect data. From the data which is collected from them is transferred to a cloud server with the help of internet connection. For that there are various microcontrollers or development boards which have built-in internet facility which can be used to connect to that board to internet. In IoT server, the data which is generated by sensors and actuators is collected at IoT server and processed. Then in user interface we can see the data which is collected in cloud server or IoT server is displayed in graphical representation so that user can understand that data very well. Discussed IoT platforms. There are many IoT platforms available in market. In this video we are going to see some of them. First development platform is Raspberry Pi. The price range is between 2500 rupees to 4500 rupees. The processor used in Raspberry Pi 3 model is 64-bit quad-core ARM Cortex A53 processor. It has RAM of 1 GB. Then general purpose input output pins are 40. It has Wi-Fi connection of 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 4.1, and the programming language used in this board is Python. This board is widely used for IoT based application because it has its own operating system known as Raspbian. It is Linux based operating system. Raspberry Pi board are also known as mini computer. Second development platform is Intel Edison. So pricing is nearly 11,000 rupees. So the processor used in Intel Edison board is dual core with single core microcontroller. Then it has 1 GB of RAM, 4 GB of flash memory, and it has 20 digital pins, 6 analog pins. The OS used in this board is Yocto, which is Linux based operating system. Then it has Wi-Fi connection of 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth version of 4.0. So nowadays Intel has enrolled in this IoT development platform as increasing demand in this IoT platform. So Intel has launched two main development boards known as Intel Edison and Intel Galileo. So the nowadays the Intel Edison is widely popular than the Intel Galileo because it has lots of functions with respect to Intel Galileo. Next is light blue bin. The price is about 3000 rupees. So the this board is based on Atmega 328P microcontroller. This microcontroller is also used in all Arduino boards. So it has flash memory of 32 KB, RAM of 2 KB, and 8 digital pins, 2 analog pins, and 4 PWM pins. Okay, the software used to program light blue bin is bin loader, which is available on internet. You can download from internet. The link is given in description. Then this board has unique feature than all the other boards. This board can be wirelessly programmed via Bluetooth. So this is the new thing which we can get in this board. It has inbuilt RGB LEDs, accelerometer, temperature sensor, and battery. As you can see, there are two images in right corner of your screen. Bean, as you can see, Bean was the first model developed by this company. Then Bean Plus was the next model, which is advanced version of Bean. In Bean, it has 3.3 volt battery, coin battery cell, and Bean Plus has lithium ion 3.3 volt Next board is MediaTek Linkit 1. The price range is between 4200 to 5000 rupees. It has processor ARM 7 processor. It has digital pins 14, analog pins 3 and PWM pins 2. Supports GSM, GPRS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NSS, etc. Bluetooth 2.1 can be connected to AWS and PubNub. This board is developed by MediaTek. MediaTek is a uh, company which develops various types of ICs and chips. There are many MediaTek chips and ICs which are or processors which are used in mobiles. You can find MediaTek processors or chips in MI mobile phones and various other mobile phones. This is the development platform which is developed by MediaTek. Next, we have a development platform which is developed by Samsung. The leading companies like Samsung, Intel, MediaTek are are involving in these microcontrollers or development boards. Samsung Arctic 710. So price range is between 4000 to 20000. The processor used in this is ARM Cortex A53. As you can see, this processor is also used in Raspberry Pi. So it has 1 GB of DDR3 RAM, then it has 4 GB of flash memory, then Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth version of 4.1, and it has there are various Arctic series as 0, Arctic 0, 5, 7, 10. These are some series which is developed one after another. So this is the IoT development platform which is developed by Samsung. Then next we have BBC Microbit, and the price range is between 1200 rupees to 1500 rupees. The processor used in this is ARM Cortex M0 processor is used. It has inbuilt accelerometer, magnetometer and LED display of 5 into 5 matrix. Okay. The software used for programming this board is Microsoft Make Code and MicroPython, specially designed for displaying display related application. So this board is specially developed for display related application. As you can see, it has a 5 into 5 matrix which contains LED, RGB LEDs which can use to display any kind of picture or any kind of sign symbol, etc. Next development platform is Node MCU. Its pricing range is 350 rupees. So the microcontroller used in Node MCU is ESP8266. Then software used to program ESP8266 board is Arduino IDE, and it has inbuilt Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz. It has general purpose input output pins 13, specially used for home. You can program this board through USB port, and this is very small board as you can see, and which can be used for home automation based project. The next development platform is Arduino Protenta H7. The price is 7000 rupees. This board is recently launched by Arduino. The processor used in this is dual core processor which is also used in Intel Edison. The microcontroller used in this board is ARM Cortex M7 plus M4 microcontroller. It has RAM of 8 MB. The programming language used to program this board is Arduino means embedded C. Then you can use MicroPython and JavaScript to program this Arduino board. Then it has inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then display port over USB Type C. You can use USB Type C port for displaying purpose. Then specially designed for industrial application. So this board is developed for industrial purpose application. So after seeing all these IoT development boards, we are going to see some website which offers data logging for IoT boards. So first is AWS, Amazon Web Services. Then next is PubNub. PubNub also offers various data logging and data represented used for data representation. Then Thingsboard and ThingsPix are also used for data logging for IoT application. Adafruit and Arduino. These are two companies which manufactures this Arduino related equipments and Arduino related sensors and boards. These two companies also offer their IoT platform, data logging services, so that we can use their service